In a world where debt is often seen as a four-letter word, we're here to challenge that perception. Imagine a world where debt isn't a financial burden, but a powerful tool to enhance your wealth. Welcome to Debt, your path to prosperity today. We embark on a journey that will reshape your understanding of debt and reveal how you can harness it to generate your passive dream. Understanding the concept of leveraging debt to increase your wealth is the first step toward financial empowerment. In this chapter, we'll explore how debt can work for you rather than against you. Debt isn't inherently good or bad. It depends on how you use it. We'll dissect the categories of good debt that can you achieve financial goals while avoiding the pitfalls of bad debt. Maintaining a good credit score is crucial when considering leveraging debt. We'll discuss how credit score impact your borrowing ability and how to improve or repair your credit. Real estate offers one of the most popular avenues for leveraging debt. We'll explore how mortgages can lead to property ownership, rental income, and long-term wealth accumulation. Starting or expanding a business often requires financing. Will delve into the world of business loans, lines of credit, and other options to fund your entrepreneurial ventures. For those interested in stock market investment, using borrowed fund can amplify your return. However, it also comes with risks. We'll discuss how to navigate margin accounts wisely. Student loan can be a form of leveraging debt for a brighter future. We'll cover how to approach student loans responsibility while ensuring your education leads to better income prospects. High yield savings account can offer an opportunity for passive income. We'll explain how to use this account effectively and make your money work for you. Peer-to-peer lending platforms and crowdfunding are innovative ways to borrow and invest. We'll explore how this avenue can diversify your investment portfolio. Every financial strategy comes with risks. In this chapter, we'll discuss how to recognize and mitigate risk while maintaining a financial safety net. Negotiating the term of your debt can save you money. We'll provide tips on negotiating interest rates, consolidating debt, and finding the best deals. Understanding the tax implication of leveraging debt is essential. We'll cover how tax strategy can minimize your overall financial burden. The interest rate environment plays a significant role in leveraging debt. We'll discuss strategies for taking advantage of low interest rates. Effective wealth building includes a diversified investment portfolio. We'll explore how leveraging debt can contribute to your investment strategy. Hearing about real life success stories can provide valuable insight into leveraging debt effectively. We'll share stories of individuals who achieve financial success through these strategies. Learning from others' mistakes is just as important as learning from their successes. We'll discuss situations where leveraging it went awry and what lesson we can extract. Every financial situation is unique. We'll help you develop a personalized strategy for leveraging debt that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Professional financial advisor can provide invaluable assistance when it comes to leveraging debt. We'll explore how to choose the right advisor and work together effectively. For choose a girl to delve deeper into leveraging debt for wealth, we'll recommend books, courses, and online resources that provide comprehensive insight. In the final chapter, we'll summarize the key takeaways from our exploration of leveraging debt for wealth. We'll conclude with the idea that informed strategy and responsible debt use can indeed be a pathway to financial empowerment. As we wrap up our exploration of leveraging debt for wealth, remember this: your financial journey is a story waiting to be written. You know how the pen. Debt, when understood and managed effectively, can be your ally. It's not about reckless borrowing, it's about strategic leverage. Your path to prosperity begins with knowledge, continues with prudent actions, and leads to a future you've always envisioned. So go forth and script your financial success armed with the power of care. Thank you for joining us on the enlightening journey, and may your financial future be as bright as your ambition.